featuring a carefully calculated view.
Let's go, Brandon.
Sunset theme you've ever seen. Oh, and one more thing. Adults get free beer and wine during the entire cruise. So come on down to Hubbard's Marina and book your trip now as these sunset cruises fill up quickly. Enjoy a Gulf Coast sunset the way you were meant to with free beer and wine and a front row seat while cruising the beautiful beach.
So, I'm Captain John. How you doing? From Captain John's Salt Life. Please subscribe. We're going to go on a fishing trip today at Hubbard's Marina. And so what we're doing here is we are basically going to film our fishing trip, and I want you to stay tuned. So that happened to be the dolphin watch. So yes, that was a false alarm. They told us to get on the boat. There happened to be a dolphin watching sightseeing boat, and we're just going to go from here back into our cubby hole over here, have a couple beers, and we will see you in just a minute.
Take two.
These are the professional anglers of the Quarterback Club.
Get them today, man.
Get them. These are the professional anglers of the Quarterback Club.
There we go.
That's a cool estimate.
Rusty brought his guitar.
All right, here we go. So the weather's perfect. I'm looking now at the Gulf of Mexico, and it is flat calm. We just got our safety brief. We're going to get another one on board about the life preservers and such. Stay tuned. I'm Captain John from Captain John's Salt Life. Please subscribe. If you like this small little video that we're putting together, just give a thumbs up. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Captain John, huh?
Captain John, huh? Let me show you around Hubbard's boat here. Here's the galley. Got full food. I'm gonna take you around real quick.
Today are going to sea bass or scrap, and you got passing in the galley. Guys, we're going to go ahead and get out of here. We're going to get passing now and talk about a big seminar. How your pack and stuff working to get underway. So, everybody, please take a seat. We're going to go ahead and fire some motors and get out of here.
I'm gonna sit down. So as you can see, we're getting ready to leave dock. And what they requested us to do is go ahead for legal purposes to go ahead and have a seat until we're outside the bridge. And once again, the seas are calm. So we're gonna leave the dock. I'm gonna keep the video on a little bit, and we're gonna see what it's like to leave the dock.
Hey, recruit a new position in the club. City media, social. Alright, everybody, sorry about the delay. We got the barometer off. Why don't you take a seat?
They had a breaker trip, and they had to replace the breaker for the steering. So now we're supposed to sit back down again, which is a good thing. It's for safety as we leave the dock. So stay tuned. I'm going to go back downstairs and sit down. Oh, Rusty, you finished your beer that fast?
Yeah, I'm not gonna sit down.
Those are some big lines.
Copy that, wait on me, man.
Nice throw, nice throw. Adventure begins.
I got home, I literally put it right. Alright, guys.
All right, now we're just about leaving the dock here, and now we're gonna get stood up again. Woo! He says we can walk around now.
Oh, we can?
You can walk around.
We can get upstairs?
Yeah.
Alright, I thought everybody's supposed to sit until we get past the bridge. I don't know.
He just said stand up.
Okay. Are we can stand up now?
Yep. All right, we are well on our way. This is gonna be such a fun trip. I am so excited. I don't have to work today, but I am going fishing. Now, we're probably going to make it underneath that bridge. This is John's Pass Bridge, and I don't. Yeah, I guess we're gonna watch a bridge open here, so that's what we're waiting for. And there's the railings going down right now. Okay, have to take the hat off. See the wind? We're going a little bit faster here. He's like king of the world. Go do a hand swan dive or whatever. It's like Titanic. Anyway, so we're all on our way, and now there's no turning back. No turning back. No turning back. Captain's getting a little brief, so we're gonna have to shut up and listen for a little bit. Okay, Rusty and I are sitting here. We're watching a dolphin ride that wave right there. I don't know. Hopefully he'll jump out of the water.
Kind of hard to see now.
Yeah, he's heading out a little bit. Oh, there he is. Third one back.
There he is.
Hey, there he goes. Hey!
He's not that big. It's got to be more than one.
Yeah, he's got to jump again. He's holding his breath too long. There he goes. Wow!
That is neat.
Yeah, he's probably gone now. Okay.
So, we're getting ready.
Sun's right over there. That's the west. That's the east.
All right, guys, let's stop.
Did you hear that?
Calm down, let's see how it goes.
All right. See, we're gonna be drifting. So anyway, let's do this.
Ah, crap, mine doesn't have a weight on it.
Okay, we're live. Let's go get this anchor dropped. Let's see what the front of the boat's doing. See what that captain's up there up to. Sure looks like we're right over here by the shipping channel for Egmont Key. He's not dropping. So, that might be a good thing. We're gonna be drifting. Okay, behind me is a bunch of happy guys. And here's why. We take you in the back over there. A few of us caught some grouper and a lot of mangrove snapper and Key West runs. But we got a 5-gallon pail full. I'm going to take you back there and show you the fish. Okay? Ready for this? I measured out to 27 inches. 27 inches. This is who caught them. All three of those. 2 snapper. How you feel, Winter?
Doing good, buddy, doing good.
Two red snapper. Yep, you flip it out of the water over there.
No, two mangrove snapper and
2 mangrove snapper and one
gag.
27-inch gag grouper. $175. See how that works? It just happens